Hello, amazing artists. It is time to start art. And this week we are talking about motherhood in art. We are going to look at two female artists who love to draw women and their children. So let's look at the first two artists, which are Cassatt or Mary Cassatt and Kathy Kollwitz. Both of them drew or depicted women and their children, or mom and child. And you can tell that there are many differences and some similarities between these two artists. First, one is very colorful, right? So let's just look at how the artists used different mediums, how the artists used different ways to show what motherhood is all about. And I want you to think about it for just a moment. And then on the next slide, we are going to do a compare and contrast. So how are those two artworks, how are they different? Let's start with that. When I was looking at the two artworks, I noticed that the differences are one is in color and the other one is in, I would say it's charcoal or black and white. Another difference is the mom and child in the Cassatt artwork look very happy. And I would say that in Kollwitz, the mother and child look tired. I wouldn't say unhappy, I would say tired. Then let's see if there's another one. I would say that in the one, the child is awake. And in this one, the child is sleeping. So both of them have created an artwork picturing a mother and a child, but there are definitely differences on how they are showing or telling about a mother and child. So now let's say how some of the similarities are. Of course, we know it is a mother and child, but a similarity also could be that the mother is holding the child. So that's something that I noticed is the same. Both mothers are holding their children. So we are going to create an artwork, and we are going to create an artwork that is for our mothers. And I want to think about something sweet that we could give to your mom. Well, sweet looking, I would say. So I want you to get a white piece of paper, and we're going to make a card. This is part 1, and next week we'll do part 2. So when you get your card, go ahead and fold it in half, and then using a pencil, always a pencil first, I want you to draw a very, very light line down the middle and a light line going across. So vertical and horizontal. So you've got 4 different spaces for 4 different kinds of cupcakes, okay? Then I want you to try your best to go step by step on drawing these 4 cupcakes. Now, of course, I'm doing this digitally. You're going to be taking your time doing it with pencil. And then I want you to outline your sweet treats. So 1 cupcake, and then move on to your second cupcake. And I want you to fill up all 4 spaces with a different kind of cupcake. Now, you can be inspired by the pictures, but it is okay to draw them a little bit differently than what you see in the step-by-step. So add in some details. Take your time, do your very best to give mom, or we could say grandma, or your aunt, or even a big sister, someone who helps take care of you, help to give them a special sweet treat, artwork or card that we will then give to them and finish next week. So next week is going to be color. Today, fold your paper in half, follow the steps, give me 4 different cupcakes, outline it in black. So when you are done, get a marker, go ahead and find black If you want to do an outline in different colors, that is okay, but I think that black really makes it pop out. And we're going to be adding some bright colors to this next week. And so black, I think, helps those bright colors stand out. And then next week we will color and we'll finish the inside of our card. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Have fun and enjoy making your sweet treats.